Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, today again we will take a look at the euro currency, we'll update how our suggestion on the overall retracement stands right now on the daily chart, on the intraday charts, and what to expect in the nearest future. So actually the first part of our suggestion has been completed, as we yesterday thought that market should first complete 1618 ABCD target on the intraday charts, then it should show some compounded retracement. The first part of this compounded retracement has been completed. Now we still think that minor retracement here still could be possible before upward continuation will follow. Mostly, this suggestion is based on the two facts. The first fact is that this is upside reversal swing. So you can see the swing up is greater than previous swing down, that we have talked about this recently. Second, the situation is based on the United States dollar index. So because market here stands actually at the oversold on the dollar index and FIB support. That's why some deeper retracement, deeper reaction could follow here. Another reason why we think so is because on the 4-hour time frame chart, take a look what we have. Actually, currently we are watching for these destination points around 1220 area. This is completion of the ABCD target based on our reverse head and shoulders, right? This is also, as you can see, monthly pivot resistance, weekly pivot resistance one. And in general, this area is very suitable to potential weekly double repo sell. That is actually our larger scenario that we will be watching for. Here, guys, actually we will start to watch for a possible take in the short position. And currently we are coming to the final pattern that could be formed here. Why we think that here could be some minor retracement? Mostly because if you will measure the extension of this retracement and count it to the upside, you will see that 127 extension stands precisely at the same area. And that's why I think that here we could get some kind of the butterfly or something of that sort. And this butterfly mostly suggests some pullback before upward continuation will happen. It means that on the slope of this rally we could watch for potential, for example, Gartner's 222 buy that could lead us directly to 112.20 area. So 112.12. So and simultaneously this butterfly will become the last part of this upward ABCD action. That's, shortly speaking, what we could get in the nearest future. Recently, yesterday, we said that market could fluctuate around this neckline and even could reach the confidence support, but it should not break it down to keep valid bullish scenario. That indeed has happened. So you can see this recent drop has happened. Market has tested confidence and rally back up. This is absolutely normal bullish behavior, and this touching of this level was due existence of the 1618 target that we have suggested market should complete before upward reversal, and indeed this has happened. Take a look at this ABC top. Yesterday we have talked about that not a bit bearish behavior here because 100% extension has been completed. Market shows minor retracement, but hasn't reestablished any upward action. And we said, well, it could happen differently. Initially, as you remember, we thought that maybe this retracement will come first, and then a 1618 drop will be second. But it has happened a bit differently. As you can see, market first has completed 1618 target with this ABCD, and then shows upward rally. So if you have taken the long position here, you have done well, because we said that if you do not know it, it's a bit sophisticated for you. Think about taking the long position around 18 or 7 and just put your stop below the weekly pivot support 1 and just don't bother your heads with the other details if your money management lets you to do this. Currently, guys, this leg up has happened. Now I think that we could watch for possible minor retracement here, or maybe some kind of the ABCD pattern could be formed. Here we could get Gartner's triple to buy before upward continuation will happen. This situation is better looking at the dollar index. So we'll take a look at the hourly chart of the dollar index. Here you could see that what we could get. This mirror price behavior to euro currency. And here I think that we could get some kind of the ABCD upward retracement. You can see this consolidation is forming. Of course, I'm not sure that definitely will happen, but in general, this is logic price action before we will see it direct upward continuation on the euro currency. So maybe some upward action here will happen. We will get bearish Gartner's triple to sell. Correspondingly, on the euro currency, we could get Gartner's triple to buy. But actually, guys, this is not major detail of our analysis. Major detail is, of course, reaching of this point. But how this will happen, whether butterfly will be formed or not, it's not really very important, because market stands right now on the road to our target. If we will get some opportunity to enter here on some retracement, that will be great. So here we could get the long position with upward continuation. If not, market directly will continue move higher. When in this case we'll start to watch for 2020 area, just watching for possible taking the short position. That will be another scenario. Here is just minor detail on the intraday target, whether we will get it or not. But overall action, as you can see, looks nice. In general, it extends according to our expectation. Also, guys, a second moment exists that on the Great British Pound market has hit our 35.40 point. So there also we could start to watch for possible retracement, some bearish patterns if will be formed, if any we will get. That's 2 points that we will be watching for in today's session.